Yes, so today we are going to do again LALR parsing table. I will write the question and we will solve it. So LALR parsing table. In LALR parsing table as well, you will be calculating the LR1 items. You will be calculating the LR1 items, and then we will see what to do. So let's write one question and we will do that. The full form of LALR is, look ahead, left to right. The question is, create a LALR table, LALR parsing table for following grammar. And the grammar is S extend to AA, A extend to AA, and A extend to B. So what exactly you have to do? You have to write what is the first step? The first step is you have to write the augmented grammar. So the augmented grammar for the given grammar will be H, S1 extend to S, S extend to AA, E extend to AA, and A extend to B. So this will be your augmented grammar. Next, what will you do? You will calculate the canonical collection of sets of LR1 items. So you will be calculating canonical collection of sets of LR1 items. That is, means you have to calculate the LR1 items. So for calculating LR1 items, you should know the closure property. What is closure property? If you have X extend to alpha dot B beta, comma A, and you have B extend to gamma, then closure will be what? Then closure of, suppose that this is I0, so closure of I0 will be equal to, implies that X extend to alpha dot B beta, comma A, and you will add this B, since after dot B is there, B extend to dot gamma, and look at symbol, what will you write?
First of beta A.
First of beta A. So this everybody should be clear. So here canonical items you have to calculate. So for calculating the canonical items, first thing what you have to do, you have to calculate I0. So I0 will be closure of extend to dot S, comma dollar. Apply this formula, closure property. What will you get? S1 extend to dot S, comma dollar. Now S, you have the
dot AA.
S extend to
Dot AA.
dot AA, and look ahead symbol will be dollar.
Hmm.
Then E extend to dot AA, and look ahead symbol will be E slash B, and E extend to dot B, look ahead symbol will be A slash B. I am writing this question is not very difficult. This question you must have done in last class. Okay, so whenever you will calculate the look ahead symbol, you will get A extend to dot AA comma A, and then again you will be calculating closure, and check you will be getting A extend to dot AA comma B. So we have combined both since productions were same, look ahead symbols are different. That's why we are writing A extend to dot AA E slash B. This is the same question which we did in last class for CLR. I had asked to calculate the LR1 items. So I0, how many inputs are there in I0? 4 inputs are there. S, A, small a, and small b.
Yes, sir.
So what will you do now? Go to I0S. What will you get?
S dash extends to S dot.
Yeah, S1 extend to S dot comma
Dollar.
dollar. This will be your I1. Okay. Now let's go for second input. So go to I0 comma capital A. What the final output you are getting? S extend to A dot A comma dollar. E extend to dot AA comma dollar. E extend to dot B comma dollar. Are you getting this? Check your last answer.
Yes, sir.
This will be your I2. You got I1 and I2. Now third input was what? Small a. So go to I0 small a. What you got? E extend to A dot A slash B. E extend to dot A slash B. E extend to dot B A slash B. Everybody has got this? Please compare.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so third input is also done. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
fourth input? Small b.
Yes, sir.
So go to
I0 comma B.
I0B. What production you are getting?
A extends to B dot.
B dot A slash B. This is your I4. Please check your answer. Everybody is getting this or not? So I0 inputs are done. I1, how many inputs are there?
Uh,
No input.
I1 there is no input. I2,
Yeah.
how many inputs?
3.
3 inputs are capital A, small b.
Small b.
So let's process now. I2 input. So go to I2 comma A. What you are getting?
A extends to A dot. Oh, sorry,
X
S. No. Sorry, S.
A dot comma dollar.
Yeah.
This is your I5. Please check your answers.
Yes.
Everybody is getting this. Then next input go to
I2 comma A.
I2 comma small a. What you are getting? A extend to A dot A comma dollar. A extend to dot A comma dollar. A extend to
A
dot
extends
B
dot B comma dollar.
comma dollar. This is your I.
I6
What is next input? B.
B.
To go to I2B. What you are getting? A extend to B dot
B dot comma dollar.
comma dollar. So this is your
I7
I7. Now in I3, how many inputs are there? Again, 3 inputs are there: capital A, small b.
small a small b.
So let's perform I3 inputs. So go to
I3 comma capital A.
I3 comma capital A. What you are getting?
A extends to A dot.
A dot comma A
A
slash B.
slash B.
So this is your I8. Next input is
Small a.
go to I3 small a. What you are getting? E extend to A dot A comma A slash B dot A slash B and A extend to dot B A slash B. So this will be what? I9? No, it's same as I3. You can cross check it. So no, nothing new. Now next input is go to I3B. What you are getting? A extend to B dot A slash B. This is same as I4. Okay, nothing new. I3 inputs are finished. Let's go for I4 input. Any input is there in I4? No. I5? No input. I6? We have 3 inputs. Capital A, small b. So go to, let's perform these 3 inputs. I6 capital A. What you are getting? You extend to A dot comma dollar. this will be equal to
I9.
I9. It's not same anywhere. Aisa, check it. I9. Next input I6. Got it or not? Okay. Next input I6 is small a. What you will get? A dot a comma dollar. E extend to dot a. Why this technical problem? Is there anything huge? Yeah, please. Okay, so okay, so till I9 we got it. I6 capital A input done. What is next? Any other input in I6A? Go to I6 small b or small a?
Small a.
What you are getting? A extend to A dot make one slide PowerPoint and share it and give it to me. Do it little bit fast. I don't know why this is happening. Okay, so go to I6 small a, E extend to bring your laptop. It's like you have opened. Join it. Why this is happening? Okay guys, so I'll write it here. Hope this is visual. Go to I6 small a equal to what you are getting, a extend to a dot a comma dollar a extend to dot a comma dollar a extend to dot b comma dollar. Is this exactly same as I6? Online students?
I6.
Yeah, same as I6. Now, I6 any B input? I6, did we finish all the inputs or not?
No, B is left, so small b.
So, I go to I6B. What will you get? A extend to B dot comma
Dollar.
dollar. Is it similar to anything?
I7.
Same as I7. Okay. Then I6 all input done. I7 any input is there? No. I8 any input is there? No. I9 any input is there? No. So we have got all the canonical items. Now here you can see we are doing LALR parsing table. When you will review this all the canonical items, what is happening at many places you must have seen canonical items are identical. Canonical items are identical. But canonical items are identical, but look ahead symbols are different. Can you check it? Check from I0 till I9. You will see even dot is also exactly same in the production. Only why those canonical items are different? Because look ahead symbols are different. I will tell you in this. Check I3 and I6. Check I3 and I6. Are you able to see I3, I6? What is I3? A extend to A dot A extend to dot A, and A extend to dot B. And look at symbols are A slash B, A slash B, A slash B. Check I6. Is it exactly same except look at symbols? So here we can see that in some canonical items we can see that canonical items some canonical items are identical except the look ahead symbols. Example that I3 and I6, I4 and I7, and I8 and I9. Check all these are identical except the look ahead symbols, isn't it? I3, I6, I4, I7, I8, I9. All these are identical except look ahead symbol. So if only look ahead symbols are different, why do we need this much this much canonical items? So what will we do in LALR? All these canonical items which are exactly identical except look ahead symbols, we can combine it together. Okay? So the moment you will be combining it together, so after combining the identical LR1 items set of LR1 items are what is now? You have I0, then you will have I1, I2, I3 and 6 are together. So we'll write I3 6, I4 7, I5 and I8 9. Now you will have these canonical items. Okay? Now you will have these canonical items. So what will be the value of these canonical items now? So you know I0, I1, I2. Do we need to write again? Okay, we will write it again so that you should not be confused. So you will write what is I0? What is I0? After this, value will be same. So I0 will be same as previous which we had calculated. S1 extend to S comma S extend to dot A comma dollar A extend to dot A comma dollar comma B A slash B and A extend to dot B A slash B. So there is no change in I0. Now I1 is same because we are not combining that. So S1 extend to S dot comma dollar. I2 is same since we are not combining that. S extend to A dot A comma dollar. A extend to dot A comma dollar and A extend to dot B comma dollar. So this is your I2. Now you are combining I36. So you will write together I36. So what will be the value of I36? Actually, productions are same. So A extend to A dot A. And look at symbols where at one place A slash B and at one place dollar. So you will combine all together. What will you write? A slash B slash dollar. What will you do? A slash B slash dollar. So this you will combine. Okay. Then you have another production. A extend to dot A. Again here as well you will combine all three. B slash dollar. And then A extend to dot B. A slash B slash dollar. So this is your I36. Now, what is I47? Productions are same. So A extend to B dot, and from both places you can add the lookout symbols. A slash B slash dollar. So this is your I47. I5 is what? S extend to, it is exactly same, A dot, comma dollar, then I89. I89 will be what? I89 will be what? A extend to A dot, comma, A plus B plus dollar. So you have this now. Now what will you do next? You can make the DFA. So equivalent DFA will be what? I0. If I0 S input, you are getting I1 with A input, you are getting I2. Then another input was small a. What you are getting? I3, 6. And small b input, what you are getting? I4, 7. Now, I1, any other input? No. I2 you had 3 inputs. Capital A, what you are getting? I5, I2 small a, where are you going? I3, I6. So I36 you will be writing, and with a small b you are going I4 or I7? I2 is small. You will go to I47 because you are combining. So I2 is small b, actually you are going to I7. So since I4 and I7 are combined, you will be going there. Now come I36. I3 any input was there? I3 capital A, where are you going? I 8, 9. Okay. Then small a will be self loop. And small b I47. Done. Anything else? We completed the DFA. You can check the input. If anything else is there, do let me know. Now, how will you make the table? So for table, again you will have two things, action and go to table. So for action table, what will you do? Action table and go to table. So small a, small b, and dollar will be in action, and capital S and capital A will be in the go to table. And how many canonical items you have now? I0, I1, I2, I36, I47, I5, and I5, I89. We'll write it. Now we'll fill the go to table first. I0 S, you are going to I1. You will write 1. I0A, you are going to I2. You will write 2. I2A, you are going to I5. I5. Check it. Okay, so this is done. Now let's come for action table. I0 small a.
Sir,
Yes.
I36 is going to I89 for capital A.
Okay, so here we will write
8.
8, 9.
Yes.
Now come for action table, small a. I0 small a. We are writing for the shift. So I36. I0 small b, S47, I1 dollar, accept, I2 small a, S36, I2 small b, S47, I36 small a, it was self loop, no? So S36, I36 small b, S47. Any other input? No. Now you will check the accepting states. I0 any accepting state? No. I1 any accepting state? No. You have already written accept. I2 any accepting state? No. I36 any accepting state? No. I4 you have the accepting state. So I47 you have the accepting state, and firstly you will have to number the productions as well. So A extend to AA, A extend to AA, and A extend to B. These are the three productions, no? 2, 3. This is S. Isn't it? So now you have given the number. Let's come. I47. What is the production? A extend to B dot. I47, A extend to B dot. What will you write? R3. Where will you write R3? A, B and dollar. Check. This is A extend to B dot, no? I47. So I47, which number of production was this? I47, A extend to B. So A extend to B is which number of production? 3. You can see 3. So A extend to B is the third number of production. So where will you write? In 47, you will write R3. Where? With the look ahead symbols. A, B and dollar. In front of A, B and dollar. You will write R3. So R3, R3 and R3. I5 anything?
First one. R1 will be indoor.
I5, what is the production?
S extends to AA dot dollar.
S extend to AA dot. That is first number of production. So first number of production means R1. So where will you write? With the look ahead symbol. I5 dollar. What will you write?
R1.
R1. Now for I89, you have A extend to AA dot. So which number of production is this?
Second.
Second means you will write R2. Where will you write R2? In front of A, B and dollar. So R2, R2, R2. So this is your full table. This is your full table of LALR. The only difference in CLR and LALR is, the only difference in CLR and LALR is
Combining the same similar ones.
you are combining the similar steps together. Steps means similar productions together, isn't it? This is the only difference. So hope it is clear now. Please do one more example by yourself, and LALR is finished.